After the signing of Leslie Ugochukwu from Rennes, Chelsea did not stop there. They quickly ran down to Monaco. When they got to Monaco, they gently knocked at the door. When the representative opened, Chelsea quickly told them, "We love this guy. We need him quickly at Chelsea. He is a solid defender. We are ready to give him 5 years contract. We just need him. One of our sons, Wesley Fofana, is injured. He is a suitable replacement. Please sell him to us." Both Monaco and Chelsea are now in advanced stage to sign Axel Disasi. And as soon as this is done, 5 years contract will be offered to him. He will be a replacement for injured Fofana. Here it is. And on this note, stop playing and put some respect in Chelsea's name. Chelsea defeated Fulham in order to win this summer's Premier League Summer Series. A goal from Thiago Silva and Nkunku is all Chelsea needed to defeat Fulham. This season, Nkunku will Nkunku everybody in English Premiership starting this season. Chelsea is officially back. Stop playing. Yes, coffee is coffee. Coffee is coffee.